Good morning. Na Memobi Akwaba Edeba Obed TV here on YouTube. For the past two videos, and for instance, na Strictly Nations FC was Kwasiada and Asante Kotoko Nations Rebo. The videos two Edeba and Nations FC. But then I said the Kotoko ba. Na later. The Okohu Nations FC training ground. So now I was at Baba Sports Stadium. My catcher said I would do an extensive analysis on Nations FC. So I had to go to their training grounds. Now me I'm go head the course training hall. The training here with the reporters the Baba. And I was the one kasa so I was there yesterday the entire time. And I have about 6 things I noticed about Nations FC. I'm a team no. And now I'm really coach Kasim go cry didn't come on there. It was a quick interview because now open them kakra. There bare 4 questions been here to us. So we'll do that video for you to know everything you need to know about Nations FC on the field, not off the field. On the field, what you expect from them. I'll do that video. I compiling in another. Now Asante Kotoko yes so Kotoko squad because you got 2 days here in your Kotoko story. So I think say you call one people are keen, want to know what is going on in Kotoko. So let's go to this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I say on once you just subscribe, hit that one. Now turn the notification bell no so mama. Na embo ame ejumedie na ere enkonanim. Na Kotoko 20 man squad no ha. Me dey brown. But this is it. 2 days ago, me a Moro Ibrahim story. Now me a story now. Utiemia and Fad will be the kind and comedian. Mr. Ropa, ye me dear. Me catcher will say a 40% bio video ni bia. Good. BBS son, I'll bring it. What I say? If my idea no confirmed, me can't say a confirmed. I can't say confirmed. We say a 40%. Now, extensive details on Moro be back on Monday after Kotoko Nations every. Because a no time ni hop a channel match day. The extensive one be back. I be 2 months in a pa. I'm when you munti asye. Na boa me jumedi na kuye. To send me can na family media no. Good. Me say a 40% say Moro Ibrahim. Contract ne hon komo nyina no akoso. For now, personal terms has not been agreed. Shenen so mame. Yan to aso. Na me bra me stories na me dey ba. Asante Kotoko 20 man squad. Changes kakrabem. It was expected say Ogum no be changes per. And one thing you notice about Ogum said he rewards performance. To wow boy Uboni in the previous game, no. One or some chance twaso is in the next game. So free injury bar. The other thing you need to know is a criterion the selector squad no free injury bar. They do not force players from injury straight into the team unless you prove to them that will be at the last 3 training sessions say on lempe. Now you're fully fit. It is a squad never knows a place be a free more. You should understand why. Again, the third thing of man who say apart from rewarding performance, player free injury by and for son of precope man in Beshim unless the last 3 training sessions were just so fully fit. No, the nature of the opponent. It determine how we get the 20 man squad. Into Kotoko against Nations. What is the scouting report on Nations FC saying? The scouting report let's say Nations FC team near a young team one. You should expect that we young Kalani be some baby on Baby Gurem. I'm going to go straight to the point. Dala Ibrahim, Frederick Asari, 2 goalkeepers. I had difficult for Moise Poitier. Fatal the will be in so but it's difficult for Moise Poitier to break him into Dalal Asare. Moving on. right fullback Augustin Japan. Meaning Samuel Asamoah Fuseni Sahaku. And Timmy and Weretim, because right fullback near Bakope, which tells you that Augustin Japan is starting. Left back Nicholas Osebones Kotoko against Ediana of a ball from the 69th minute. Left backs name Yenu Nana Benini Amoa. So Nicholas Osebones Nana Benini Amoa. Yen Twaso. Center backs Henry Ansu, Yusuf Nuruddin, Daouni Yaya. And until I say player free injury bar, they don't rush him into the team unless the last 3 training sessions which are some fit. Into Fuseni Sahaku and Murem. I'm person be Russian. Sharif Mohammed defender when Murem, they don't want to rush him. My mentor in common also. Michael Che Jamana, our squad. Andrews Intimenu Ewum. Rocky Jamana Euratimnum. Rocky Jamana Euratimnum. I'm a Sharif Mohammed defender, so come. What it means that from the central midfield, Justice in Cook Blay, Echo bench, and our free squad to Rocky Jamana after so trying exams, when you're the first a year appearance, our 20-man squad, Shannon Suman. We at defensive midfielders. Now, attacking midfielders. Ahono Ubenya Richmond Opoku, Richmond Lamte, and a Papa Jaya. Most they are person de Baba Yaka Lamte Mo. The Richmond Opoku, Richmond Lamte Baba Yaya. Now Wingers Peter Aqua Bena Somwa George Mfegi. Intimate Baba Yaka Wingers no Richmond Opoku to Minika Wingers no. But at the same time, to me, I'm the number 10 row. Inti Richmond Opoku, Richmond Lamte Baba Yaya, George Mfegi, Bena Somwa Peter Aqua. 2 forwards, Kalu Watara, and Stephen Dese Mukwala. And what this means is that they did not rush Julius Oforizigi into the squad, despite the fact that O'Shea go against Golden Warriors, Aman Rasheno. Still, Amama Natranchen. Still, Amama Fuseni Atranchen. Still, Amama Sharif Mohammed Atranchen. So they will play another game midweek. Then hopefully, so 1 week consistency, no say there is no problem. They will then bring them into the team. For the avoidance of repetition, member players need. Wow, one team no go back. Now, possible lineup, no. Me the bro and red. Me the bro and red. But I mean, Titi way home. Kalu would start. Kalu will start because coach ni believe we say Kalu's performance no or Peke fe no gaining the confidence to abema na twaso. Lamte will start. Sharif Mohammed will start. Tini Henry Ansu Yusuf Nuruddin will start. Danlad will start. Augustine Japan will start. Dia cannot be the bro and number. The left back memboy Uti. Number 6 will be complemented a year Sharif Mohammed Menkai. Wingers will be complemented Kalu Atara Menkai. But Kalu, Lamte, Sharif, Henry Ansu Yusuf Nuruddin, Augustine Japan Danlad. I can confirm it to you that Omunyana ever started. The rest will be coming to me at Wenumrenti. Nations, they come on training grounds, no? Yeah, they are no bar near the Kotoko, they are naba. That is when you digest the issues. So, opponent watch the key players to expect, no? They can in album near their brows, so Betty. But I must say, I'll pay the army, they bring money. You be share, bye bye.
Nations as referee Bichimaba. So far, Oba and Elko said them out.
Oh, I never. They're building a new team, so it's building a new team. It takes time to for them to start this. So they go see with time, no, they will explode.
Now Oba and so far league, as well as slow start kakra.
And I we are building a new team completely. Definitely, most of them are beginners. Have been on mobile premiership, so it will take time to run. With a little bit time, you see them.
Ahead of Kotoko game, what should your fans expect?
Oh, we are playing good football. We also playing good football. So it will be a nice game. And the better side that day with Black B on the side will carry them.
Now, so what have you watched the Kotoko team?
I watch them, they also watch it. So
now, what do you think, Sebe, the way to unlock them? Because so far they have a very nice defense.
but that one is a secret that goes where you don't need to speak in public for them. You are telling someone you don't do that. So it will reflect on the field of play.
Now, fans normal but normal person, opening coach or can't go the ball on the top form. Today still expect
Oh,
that.
they expect it. That's why Kotoko play good football. We also play good football. So they should expect a good game. The fans will enjoy the game.
That's a part. Thank you very much.